All right, this is getting a little crazy. This one is another set that I didn't see in other Walmarts. $5 clearance is another one of these damn Christmas things. It's just saying 5-year warranty. There's your warranty bullshit and your people to call. Because if you think you want to get your warranty honored and you're going to bring something like this down to Walmart customer service, you know what? You have mental problems. If you think something's going to happen with that, you're going to need to call this number. But, well, you know, what do I know? What do I know? If you don't know why you have mental problems, then, you know, yeah. Well, I parked there. I'm going to go down there. Yeah. You have mental problems. Someday you'll realize it. And you'll come back and you'll comment. You're like, holy crap, you were right. I do have mental problems. And I'll be like, why the hell are you here posting and telling me that? What do you got, mental problems? Straight up. Look at all these things. $5? Can you imagine that? Look at that. How many items is that? Does this say? 9. Wow. Is there 9? Actually, 1, Dosey, Trey, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nino? Are these even an accurate close? I kind of don't think, again, that they sell these individually with these big handles on them. I could be wrong, but I kind of don't recall seeing shit like this on the shelf. So you got some crimpers on the inside on this one. Let's see if we got any metal hangings. Oh yeah, there's some metal hanging here. These things are so poorly made. But I'm not sure that the tool itself is actually poor. It's just that there's burrs, metal burrs on all these goddamn things. Let's see if we got on this one. These look clean. Nope, there's burrs. Nope, there it is, a whole line of metal burrs going across here. Oh, that is so annoying. I'm pretty sure, can you see it? Yeah. From here to here is a metal burr. Good grief. How do you do that? How do you get away with that? Okay. So we got multiple sizes of the needle nose, huh? Is there another one? So we got 3 sizes of needle nose. Do they line up at least? They appear to. They appear to have nice dolphin nose on there, huh? Let's see if we got any burrs on this one. I kind of think I see some up here. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's some freaking metal on my finger. See it? Oh my God. So annoying. See what we got here. And these are perfect. You got a perfect little dolphin mouth? Huh. Looks like it might be a little off. Alright, so then we got, oh, here's another cutter. Alright, so we got 3 styles of cutters. We got these. Straight head, snippy dippies. Oh my God, these things like it'll snap right there. Nice snippy dippy doodle. Alright, and then we got the smaller cutter. Does that one line up at least? Here so. Hyperdiff. At least they're nice and greased. Oiled. And then we got There's no bigger one of this? Huh. Put a cutoff on there. Any burrs? Oh yeah, there's burrs. That is so annoying. Definitely a whole set of burrs on this side. God damn. See them all sticking up there and here. Damn. Ridiculous. These do not seem stable at all. That is not tight at all. Can you just turn this? No. Nope, that's clamped. That's dinged and dinged so it doesn't loosen or tighten. But that seems way too loose to me for what you want pliers to be. Alright. Yeah, see, look, these are not. Well, they got themselves a washer on there. Do they have a washer on this one? No. Maybe because they forgot the washer. Yeah, you know what? If this had the washer in there, these things would be pretty damn stable because I'm sticking my nail in there. Is the washer. It seems like these are missing the washer. See, we got ourselves a washer in there. Oh. See, these do not move at all. So the length of the arm is way too short to do a bolt that big, to tell you the truth. But, you know, $5, what do you want? That's pretty cool. I only bought 2 sets of those. I'll just throw each set into different rooms.